Hey, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I like to unbox things, all sorts of things. I like to vlog vacations, and I also like to vlog and review food around the world. Today I have for you an unboxing. I have Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Real quick, it is my birthday month, so we'll see how uploads go. And also, there is a giveaway. The link will be down below. So Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month, and you get 4 to 5 full-size products. And I know that mine is later than most, so let's go ahead and dig on in. So the first thing you see is that, and you open this up and it kind of looks like that on the inside. Now, I have seen spoilers to this box, and I'm not sure how I feel about it, but let's I actually see some different products in here than I've been seeing opened up, so I think. So let's check it out. So it comes with a pamphlet, and it tells you what the products are and how much the things cost. So the first thing I am pulling out here is a Yensa Color and Face Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. This retails for $35, and it looks like this. It says 8 Super Blacks Essence. I don't know what that is. Let's read a little bit about it. Okay, so you know what? I will try this and keep this because it's a primer, but you don't have to use it. You can use it under makeup, but you don't have to use it under makeup, and you can just use it as like a final step to your skincare routine for just like a subtle glow. So maybe I will try this because, you know, a lot of times in the summertime, I don't like to wear makeup. I just like to be barefaced, and so I will keep that and give it a try. That's interesting. The next thing I am pulling out here is a Wander Beauty palette, Wanderous Seascape. And so this is what it looks like on the inside. And next thing I am pulling out is an Il Makiage mascara. And I am not going to open this. I will probably pass this along. I have, good Lord, maybe 20 mascaras that I haven't opened yet. And then the next thing I am pulling out here are Glam Glow face masks. 3 of them. That's nice. Oh wait, the Il Makiage retails for $25. The Glam Glow, they retail for $27 for 3 of them. So that's nice. I always enjoy face masks. And then the next thing in here I am pulling out is the Illamasqua Coloring Lip Pencil Duo in Lust and Media, and they value for $21 each. I will not unpackage these because I have a lot of lip pencils, so I will just pass these along to someone that can get some use out of them. And the last thing I am pulling out of here is something that I had gotten with some points, and this is from First Aid Beauty, and it's coconut water cream. And I love First Aid Beauty products. I am really looking forward to trying this out and using it on my face. Okay, so that is Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and I know that this was a little late, but just to recap, we have the Il Makiage mascara for $25. We have the Glam Glow 3 masks that retail for $27. We have the Duo lip pencils for $21 each. We have the Wander Beauty palette that is that retails for $25. And we have the Yensa Tone Up Primer Essential Glow that retails for $35. And that is all I have for you today. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.